कंफर्टेबल है आप थोड़ा सीट
जाऊँ मैं फर्स्ट राउंड था जी मेरा वो
हाँ हेलमेट है
You go for it. You are meant to do it. Yeah, go for it. Get yourself hydrated. Yeah, keep calm. Blast it.
Alright guys, now we have the A&A Motorsport car on the track, the Volkswagen Polo driven by Syed Hamza Ali. So this is Syed Hamza Ali, ladies and gentlemen, from A&A Motorsport. Today we're going to have a big clash between Amified Rallying and A&A Motorsport. So don't go anywhere. The day is going to be long and tiring for all these competitors. Let's see who can clock the best time. Let's see who gets the fastest time here in Top Race 6 and goes away with the crown of Top Race 6 champion. Alright, so that was Syed Hamza Ali across the finish line in the A&A Motorsport Volkswagen Polo. Syed Ali in the A&A Motorsport Polo this time. Let's see what Syed can do. Is he going to break the 140s, the early 140s, or is he going to jump into the late 130s? So currently I think the fastest time of the day stands at around 137 or 136. I'm not exactly sure. This is the A&A Motorsport Polo.
All are getting attracted to it.
Here comes Syed Ali into the finish line. That was Syed Ali from A&A Motorsport. From Johan Rallying, Jerry Johnson holds the second fastest time in the previous category as well. The previous category being INAC 2 up to 1650. And here he is in the INAC 1 class, the unrestricted category, in the same A&A Motorsport Polo. Let's see if we can get up there in the time sheet. In the INAC 1 after 1650, Jerry Johnson from Johan Rallying and A&A Motorsports. Lightly overshot that corner, the penultimate corner by Jerry Johnson. Here he comes into the final corner, the long left-hander, the double apex. He's locked off. He's locked up the tires and clipped a couple of poles. That's a small penalty by Jerry Johnson. He's not going to be very happy with that. That was a lot of understeer that he got mid-corner and across the line. Not the best category run for